Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you guys a tea snack recipe which is perfect for a chilly fall evening. If you are a new visitor, then please subscribe my channel. So today I have a papaya. It's raw. So like in my family, this is the least favorite vegetables. They just don't like papaya. That's why I'm going to give it a twist, and I'm going to make this recipe a little bit interesting. I'm going to make an amazing delicious papaya 65 recipe. Let's get started and check out the recipe. So here I have raw papaya. So I just washed this, and we need to peel this like this. I scoop out all the seeds and everything, and I'm going to cut this like french fries kind of. And now take a saucepan, and I have added here water, and then I am going to boil papaya for about 5 to 6 minutes, or till it will get half cooked. Here is our half cooked papaya. So I'm going to add some spices in this. For so I have here some turmeric powder, then cumin powder, then here I have this one is like chicken 65 masala. So if you have, you add. If you don't have, then you don't add, because we are making papaya 65, so I thought I should add this. Then chili powder, and then here I have some garlic powder, then I have some cumin seeds, then we'll add some azwine, and then here this one I have uh, some semolina or suji, and then I'm going to add some chopped cilantro, of course. And then here I have this one is corn flour, so I'm going to add this about like 2 tablespoon, and then well, actually all this. Then we are going to add salt as per taste, because we have already added salt in papaya, so we need to like take care of that too. So check first, then add salt. And then finally I have here lemon juice, so I'm going to add some lemon juice in this, and then mix this nicely. So here I have taken kadai, and I have already added oil, and let's check the oil temperature. It's perfectly hot, so you don't need to like cook your papaya too much, because it's already half cooked, so it won't take too much time. It will take just 1 minute or So here I have some curry leaves, so I'm going to try that as well, like this. I just love this aroma. And then here I have some slitted green chili, so just a little bit. So look at this yummy crunchy this is so good. So try this, guys. So enjoy this with some mint chutney or ketchup. uh, have this with evening tea as well. So enjoy your tea snacks and do share your comments and suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notification. Until then, stay happy and healthy.